If you've been on the University of Kentucky campus lately, you've likely seen exciting changes at the Martin-Gatton College of Agriculture, Food and Environment. We are in a dynamic period of growth and transformation. Thanks to the generosity and support of our partners, we are building and renovating spacious teaching environments, high-tech research labs, and meaningful community engagement facilities, both on and off campus. These updates will increase our capacity to continue our mission to improve lives in Kentucky. Our vision of the future is clear. When the dust settles, we will be equipped to serve the Commonwealth like never before. We will be a college that prepares students to turn their passion into careers that truly make a difference. A cooperative extension service that strengthens communities and promotes well-being across Kentucky. And a research station that pushes the boundaries of knowledge to address 21st century challenges. That's the future we're building. Help us bring it to life.